Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video as follow-up on gold. So let's get started. This is a chart, gold weekly chart I made on October 15, ending wave 4 here, and I was expecting wave 5 will start soon for the upside, to go to the upside like this. So it started go up here, and then my next chart was on the weekly chart here. I went up all the way there, and I said we're going to drop to 1802 first and then go to the upside, and it did just that. Start to bounce here. Idea was still wave 5 to the upside. So we hit this band here, then we drop, and I said somewhere here, maybe it will come all the way to 1877 and then start to go up to the upside. And that's exactly what happened. It came very close. It came so right here. I can't see there. This is a picture. So very close to 1877. And then I said it's going to go to the upside. And then it started to go now like this, right, on the 17th July. And as of 21st, let me go on the live chart here. And you can see the weekly is like this. So we went all the way there and came back, and now it's sitting on this number here, 1959. If we find support here, it will continue to go to the upside when the market opens up. Now, what is happening on the weekly chart? You can't see anything. So on a smaller time frame, you can see the wave count, Elliott wave count. I was following and saying that this is wave 1, 2, and then wave 3. So I said, this is what's going to happen. It's going to drop for wave 4, and then it'll go up for wave 5, finishing wave 3. And then it will come ABC down. Let me see if I have these charts there. Okay, this is the one, right? So wave 4 of wave 3, I was predicting here, and it came exactly same place, almost, right? Almost touched the area. And then after that, I made this chart. Then we're going to go to the upside to 1973, and it went even more than that here. And then again, this is okay. This was my trade. Now I made this chart that wave 3. Excuse me, wave 3 might be ending here, and then we will come down for wave 4 ABC, like this pattern. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, right? So we've just finished going for wave 4, wave 5, and that was wave 3 actually. Now the big wave 4 is supposed to be coming in, and that would be coming like this, right? So I was expecting like this, but what happened is that it dropped here, and then this wave, small wave 5 from here to here, ended up having 5 subwaves within it. That would be wave 1, 2, 3, and it came down here for wave 4, it went up again for wave 5, and then it finished wave 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's perfectly normal, because if you look at this diagram, let me show you the first one, and you will see that all of these 1, 3, and wave 5 also have 5 subwaves. Usually have 5 subwaves, and that's exactly what this thing did. Very perfect by the book. All right, so usually that it doesn't happen, but in this case, you can see that gold is going by the book. Elliott wave count, beautiful. So now, what's happening? So this one, like I said, that I made this chart day before yesterday. It says that, okay, since it's going to the upside, it might end up 19. Maybe it's going to make the turn where it is now, or may go to 1992, or even go to 1998 before dropping. So this band I'm showing here, this is the yellow, this area, somewhere there, it's supposed to be making a turn for wave A around 1959, or very close to that. Look what happened. We just closed Friday just like that. We start dropping, and we came here. So now this one becomes wave A, and hopefully when Monday opens up, we're going to go up for wave B, maybe this area, 1973, or maybe even to this one, maybe around like 61% or 78% of this drop. That would be wave B, and then we will drop for wave C to finish up this wave 4. This wave 4 we're talking about. This one, big one. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4. If you look at that, this is wave 1, 2. This is a picture, so let me go live. See, this is wave 1 and 2 I'm talking about. This is wave 1, 2, the big one, not the Roman one. The big 1, 2, then all the way here with wave 3, and then wave 3 also have 5 subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this wave 5 also had 5 subwaves. I mean, wave 3 also had like wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. You can count that, but here very clear 5 waves, and after that the correction for wave 4 will start, and it is started already. We finished wave A. I'm gonna go for wave B to the upside, and then drop for wave C. At least theoretical, that's what it's supposed to be theoretically, and then we will see how it unfolds, right? But so far, so good. Right on the dot from here, I'm tracking this, coming down, going up. I had the trade 1, 2, and my entry was here all the way to this 1959. I cash out, and after that, this started, and I made the trade here, and I closed here, and I was expecting a drop, so I didn't trade this thing. But and I have a trade on this one here, short. This is my entry. I went down. I have it on the computer. So a small trade, but something, as long as, if you know what is what to expect and what is going to happen, then you can confident, even a small trade, yeah, you can take it. But if you only, but if, like I said, that, I took the short, but I saw the distance that, okay, 1959, I have to close, right? So after that, yeah, it might bounce. So I will close that, and then maybe I'm not gonna trade, or maybe I'll trade. It depend on if I see long entry from my 20-minute chart, I'll go long and then come down for this wave C, and then, or maybe I'll just bypass the whole thing, and then when wave 5 will start, then I will get in and then trade that wave 5. All right, so this is it for now. This is how it is. Gold is just going very wonderfully according to the Elliott Wave, and very predictable so far nowadays. And if you want to be a part of my group, you want to take advantage, then go to my website, creativetradingsystems.com, and subscribe there and be a part of it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'm going to make some more videos, and you will get them as soon as possible, as soon as I load my video to my channel. All right, so this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.